A journey to the magical river. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains, there lived a curious boy named Alex. Alex loved exploring the forests near his home. He would often wonder, what lies beyond the mountains? Are there hidden secrets waiting for me to discover? One evening, as Alex sat near the fireplace with his grandmother, she told him a story about the magical river. They say, she began in a soft, mysterious voice, "The river glows like silver under the moonlight, and its waters can grant one wish to anyone who reaches it." Alex's eyes widened with excitement. "Is it real, Grandma? Have you seen it?" he asked eagerly. His grandmother chuckled. "I've never seen it myself, but the villagers believe it's hidden deep within the forest. No one who's gone looking for it has ever returned." That night, Alex couldn't sleep. His mind was filled with thoughts of the river. What if I find it? What would I wish for? He wondered. Early the next morning, before the sun rose, Alex packed a small bag with food, water, and a little lantern. He whispered to himself, "I'm going to find the magical river." As he entered the forest, the air was cool and fresh. Birds chirped melodiously, and the sunlight danced through the leaves. Alex followed a narrow path that twisted and turned deeper into the woods. After hours of walking, he reached a strange-looking tree with branches shaped like outstretched arms. This must be a sign, Alex thought. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice. "Who dares to enter my forest?" Startled, Alex spun around. To his amazement, a wise old owl perched on a low branch stared at him with piercing golden eyes. "I'm looking for the magical river," Alex stammered. The owl tilted its head. "Ah, the river. Many seek it, but few find it. Are you brave enough to face the challenges ahead?" Alex nodded firmly. "Yes, I am." "Very well," the owl said. "Follow the trail of blue flowers, but beware. The river tests those who wish to find it." Alex walked cautiously, spotting the tiny blue flowers glowing faintly in the shadows. The path led him to a dark cave. He hesitated. "Do I really need to go in there?" he whispered. Taking a deep breath, he stepped inside. The cave was damp and cold, and strange echoes filled the air. Suddenly, a deep voice boomed. "Why have you come here, boy?" Alex trembled but replied, "I'm looking for the magical river. I want to make a wish." The voice laughed. Then prove your worth. Answer this question. What is more powerful than magic? Alex thought hard. He remembered his grandmother's words about kindness and courage. Taking a chance, he answered, "Love and kindness are more powerful than magic." The cave fell silent. Then, the voice spoke again, softer this time. "You may pass." As Alex stepped out of the cave, he gasped. Before him was the magical river, shimmering like liquid silver under the moonlight. The sight was breathtaking. He knelt by the water, his heart racing. "It's real," he whispered. He closed his eyes and said, "I wish for the courage to always be kind and help others." The river glowed even brighter, and Alex felt a warmth spread through him. He smiled, knowing his wish had been granted. When Alex returned to the village, he told no one about his journey. But from that day on, he was known as the kindest, bravest boy in the village. People often wondered, what's his secret? Alex would simply smile and think of the magical river. Moral of the story: true magic lies in kindness, courage, and the choices we make to help others.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay enchanted by more magical tales and life lessons. Don't miss the next adventure.